Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Learning Guitar. We have a cool collab here, Big and Bailey, cool duo there. They do All the Way. Cool song. We have this country vibe going on here and two different styles. Either go melody or strumming, and you're gonna handle all that with a very good setup. Cape on fourth, that's the absolute best scenario for us. We have easy 3 chords there. So all that, let's go into it. Put that cape on there on the 4th fret and let's rock the chords. First, we have the A minor, and that goes open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. We have C next, and that will be 3rd A, 2nd D, open G, 1st B, and open E. And finally, we have the G. That goes 3rd E, 2nd A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. Alright, so basically what we got here is 1 verse play and 1 chorus play. Let's go into that with the melody first. We're going to look into the verse, and the chord progression here throughout the song will be the same. It will be A minor, C, and G in the order we'll learn the chord. So we're going to look into the melody first for A minor, and that is played in the same way, both verse play and chorus play. So it goes like this. Okay, so you're going to play open A, 2nd G, back to open A, and then 2nd G again, and then open B, back to 2nd G, and open G. That's it. So slowly. Okay, then we're going to the C part here in the verse play. You're going to play just 2 notes, and that is 3rd fret A string, and then open G. And then we have the G part left, and we have 2 different endings here. Either go with this first ending, and that will be 2 notes only, and that is 3rd fret E string, the bass, and then open D. And the second ending will be that, okay? So you're gonna pick the 3rd fret E string and bass together with open D. And then you play the 2nd D, and back to open D again, and 3rd A. And you alternate these 2 endings, alright? So what you're gonna do here, technically when it comes to the second ending here, I play the hammer on and pull off technique. So I pick the 3rd fret E string together with open D. Then I hammer on to get the 2nd D. I don't pick that. I just hammer on with my mid finger. And then I pull off again. I don't pick that open D note. I pull it off. So my finger here on the fretboard does the work here. I just picked the first kick there with both strings. Alright, saw that? And then I pick the 3rd A. So that's some technical stuff there. And that is 1 round. So slowly goes like this. Alright. So that's the verse play. Now into the chorus play. And like I said, A minor is played in the same way. So we know that by now it goes. Right? Then comes the C part, and it's played in the same way as the verse, but it's twice as long. So you do that 2 times, okay? So you alternate the 3rd fret A string with open G for 2 times. So 3rd A, open G, 3rd A, open G. And then we have 2 different endings in the G chorus play as well. And it's very similar. The first one goes like this. Okay, so you're going to play and alternate the 3rd fret E string in the bass with open D, 2nd time, 3rd time, and the 4th time you're going to play. So you play the 3rd fret E string, and you play the open D, and then you hammer on to get the 2nd D. So that hammer on the 2nd D is the only difference. Otherwise, it's 4 times of alternating the 3rd fret E string with open D. The second ending is to play the same 3 times of 3rd fret E string and alternate that with open D. And then comes the same ending as you had in the G verse part. So the 3rd fret E string with open D, and then you hammer on the 2nd D, open D, pull off, and then 3rd fret A string, and that's the 2nd ending of the chorus play. So yeah, we can play through that as well. The chorus, it goes like this slowly. Okay, another ending, you know that from the verse play. So that is basically how you handle the melody. Now let's go into the strumming, and we have a 2-part strumming here to handle this. So let's go into that and learn it with the A minor. That's the first chord. So 1 full round, it goes like this. Okay, so the first part will be down, down, up. That's it. So, and the second part will be clap, up, down, up. And if you combine these 2 parts, it will be down, down, up, clap, up, down, up. A couple of rounds. All right. So with that said, we have the verse play. You're gonna play A minor, 1 full round, then C part 1, the down, down, up, and then G part 2, clap, up, down, up. Okay, no matter what playing or what ending you have on G, this is what you're gonna play for verse play. So A minor 1, C part 1, G part 2, like this. Alright, and the chorus play, you're gonna play A minor 1 full round, C 1 full round, and then G 2 full rounds. So like this. And that's what's up, guys, with the song all the way with Big and Bailey. So you have 2 ways here. You have the melody, you have the cool strumming. You can just relax a little bit and go back and forth with this. And that's what's going on through the entire song. Good luck with this one, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. And if you did, leave me a comment, maybe you thumb up or do anything, whatever you want. Interact with me. Thank you, and play tuned.